Oh no, I don't want to.
All the roosters. That bloomin' rooster.
Bye bye. My favourite vlogger.
The first one to leave. Are you sad?
Yeah, I'm sad. I want to stay here. I want to bike. I want to climb.
Pascal was actually a subscriber that we met whilst we were here.
I'm going to miss you guys. See you later.
Fly safe, Pascal.
What a guy.
I don't know who has more energy, him or you. He's a freaking lunatic.
I think him, he definitely tops my energy.
Good morning on.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, we just done a few pictures with Fanny.
How many unbroken pull-ups did you do yesterday in the challenge?
15, I think.
15 strict unbroken pull-ups. That's not hustle, mate. Get it? Look, there's a photo shoot going on over there as well.
Because I'm taking over this channel. Swedish edition. What's going on, team?
Talk to the team.
Talk to the.
I think this is a really good time now to introduce that we are going to be in Sweden on the dates of
1st of December till the 3rd of December.
You are?
Yep.
Cool.
Yep.
Are you joining me to do 1,111 pull-ups?
No.
To do how many?
Why?
And we are going to.
It's a fitness festival and we will be there, we'll have a time, you just have to stay.
CrossFit Nordic in Stockholm. It's a big playground.
Sold. Have you been before?
CrossFit Nordic? Yeah.
Okay, well, you're our way in. I'm gonna kind of miss this walk down from there. Come on. Oh yeah, my glasses. Good idea. Can't have you around. Thanks, babe. Ooh. I'm gonna miss you too, Mr. Wolf. What a dog. I'm gonna miss the lemon and lime Nocco. Gonna miss this pool that I've not been in yet, but I'm sure we're gonna be in it in 2 seconds time.
Comes.
Oh, hey, bro.
Yeah.
Gonna miss you, Jasper.
He's the oldest one. Yeah.
I know.
We found that out yesterday, didn't we, little man?
As John would say, dogs make vlogs. What's your plan today?
Blind flying monkey.
This is the flying monkey. There's monkey bars and then jumps.
So you might jump too fast.
Fanny's gonna do it without being able to see the bars.
I will do it while mini band is the new thing to have. So then I'm doing the mini band my way.
Yeah, you don't need it for the glutes. You need it for the eyes. Anything you want.
Into the pool.
Yeah, Jazz, fall into the pool just for comedy value. She held onto that pole.
Fish me out! Come on!
No!
What happened today, Mike? You didn't stop on the way home for donuts?
Didn't stop on the way home for Nutella donuts, no.
So you didn't get the
Disgraceful.
ambience?
Disgraceful. Looking at that shoreline and sunrise this morning, that's where we should have been.
Well, it was our invite.
Yeah.
I'd stop for donuts.
Yeah, we would have stopped for donuts. Floppy zebra. Get it, Jazz. Nice. Go, go, go.
Are you allowed to put
Oh, hold on a second.
I'm scared of falling.
You won't fall.
You fall on your feet.
Yeah, exactly.
That is not guaranteed.
Science.
That's science!
Oh, now I can't reach them again.
Oh.
There you go. Very good.
Will has confirmed that you do look as silly as you feel doing it.
Go, Will, go. Keep going. Get it all the way up. Come on. You got to get the tyre up by moving this around. You're nearly there. Oh. Still not there, bro. Oh.
Yes! Woo!
Easy?
It's quite tough.
I couldn't tell.
It's like running in the air. Sometimes your feet move and your arms don't move though.
Yes, good job.
Now just with a blindfold.
Yeah, a little bit rest and not all the way with the blindfold.
You're not going all the way with a blindfold? Now that's fluffy.
So fluffy.
Look how fluffy its paws are.
I know.
Does that mean it's going to get a lot bigger?
It won't get too much bigger.
No? I want one of those.
It's probably like a medium-sized dog. It will
Look
get
at it. Look how cute that is.
Look at his big ears. Oh. Oh my god.
Wow.
Looks like a spaniel.
It looks like a spaniel.
Bye-bye, Sophie.
Sit.
That face.
Great.
Yes.
Can we get one?
Morning, Camille.
Morning, buddy.
I think this is a big moment. On goes the blindfold.
How many fingers have I got all up?
Nice. So right now, Fanny can't see a thing.
Jump now.
Literally a thing. Big swing. Kill him. Great effort.
That was epic.
Oh!
You're gonna have to.
I'm not used to this. This isn't kipping.
Yes, nice.
Literally a monkey.
I'll just go with one hand instead of two. I find it really hard to do that because yeah, it's like kipping is totally different to swinging.
Oh, it's crazy.
Your turn, Jazz.
Oh no, I don't want to.
Dun, dun. Nice.
Oh, the GoPro's falling.
Oh.
Oh, the GoPro's falling.
So long, GoPro. Go for it.
Up with your hip.
Go.
Up with your hip.
Hips. Oh. So close. Was that really nerve-wracking?
Yeah, it's so far. I was like swinging, and I was like, my toes don't even touch the next bar. I'm just too small. That's the first time I've done that. High five.
High five.
Yeah.
Did she do a good job?
Yeah, I was training for that for so long time. I was crying, I was falling for months, and you did it the first time. Bye bye.
See you later. Yes, sorry, can't really say bye at the moment. Yes.
No. One more. This time.
Yes. Give me that climbing group.
And the hardest part will come when you are after the boxing bag.
I'm so tired.
Oh, take the other grip. They're good.
That was cold.
Yeah, it's cold, right?
Yeah.
Enough?
I'm not going, no.
If you're hanging too long, you're like that.
It is so cold in that pool.
Look at this insert photo. How's your Sunday?
Oh, Craig.
Oh god. How good is the food?
9 out of 10.
I'm gonna miss this food. This food's awesome. And they cook it for you. I feel like. Sorry?
I wish my mum cooked like this.
Yeah. Matt's mum.
Bye, Craig.
See you later, Camilla.
Bye. Nice to meet you too,
Hi, Chris.
Richie. We're friends now. Yes.
Yeah, no, I'll see you there.
The Caribbean.
Even when you're
I
leaving.
bought it.
Peace out.
Peace out.
This lady has a laugh to rival Jazz.
Yeah. Put us two together. Oh my word.
I need to think of a joke, but I don't have one. And then there was only like 4.
Us.
5.
Basically us.
Yeah, just us. And Will. We got this, bro.
Don't turn that on and pretend like you're helping to pack.
Savage. I am.
That's what you were about to do, wasn't it?
I'm staying out of your way, so then you can pack easier.
You were gonna do that.
What do you mean? I was gonna help you put some of the stuff in there. I was gonna pack my bag.
You nearly did it. And you're like, oh, I'll just put the camera on and just pretend like I'm helping.
It's time to pack up our stuff because we got to get out of here. This trip has gone so fast. Feels like we've been here for ages, but also it feels like we feel like we arrived yesterday. It's like we came to an adult playground for a weekend. I think that's what you describe this place as.
Ready?
Boom. Yeah?
Shut up.
You're so annoying. Look who's come to say bye. It's the guard dog. Hello, Pepper. This is the second time I've stroked a pig.
You come to say goodbye.
They're so coarse.
Hello, Pepper.
Hello. Don't eat my toes. On my toe.
Like, get off me.
I think we need to get it doing some CrossFit, Jazz, to be honest. This pig.
Look at her.
Look at that.
Look at her.
Look at that. Pepper, you need to do some working out. That tail. From the UK, repping the hustle vest, Jasmine.
I look terrible right now.
Da, 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 da. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Oh no. Who needs real models when you can just do that? Yes, take the flag so we can put it in the garage. Yes, that's such a good idea.
Yes, I know.
That is gonna go in the Gonna miss the place. It's been like a little home away from home.
Hey, Chris.
I swear to God, just done the fly monkey all the way across the pool. Just done it.
There's no video proof.
Though, did you?
No.
We got it on
If you
phone.
didn't catch it on camera, does it really count?
Do it for the vlog. I'll be back down.
He knows.
Oh, Firebird.
Firebird. Oh, it was in the Gumball 3000, that like huge race with all the modded cars. Imagine if you had to constantly walk around with a suitcase. Yeah, we'll have a really good time. Thank you very much. And then there was me, you, and Chris, who's disappeared.
It's us and Chris.
Yeah. Okay, so like, if this holiday couldn't get much better, we just met Mario. He owns CrossFit Tank in Marbella. His beard is much better than mine. There's about 10 boxes in my bear team that we could hit up, including the box here and the OCR course. Meet subscribers everywhere. That beard is top. He just made my day. I completely forgot to bring my cap. Now I have like an actual trucker cap.
And it matches.
I've never had a trucker cap.
And it matches
the t-shirt.
Epic. It's so good.
We have the nicest team on YouTube.
We do. We are so lucky.
We're not just the strongest, we are the nicest.
Yeah.
He didn't have to give us his hat. I would have bought it.
You guys are epic.
Not bad for an arsehole.
Can we get that on a t-shirt or something?
Can we get that on a t-shirt?
Not
Team
bad for
Richie.
an arsehole.
The best subscribers. Not bad for an arsehole.
If you say the C-bomb in the UK, jeez.
Yeah.
Jazz will come and find you and she will kill you.
If you say the C-bomb in America, they will literally fight you on the street.
Yeah, but if you say it, you're right, mate, in Australia.
CrossFit Games 2018. What do you think?
This is fun. I like this. I feel like Jeff would love this. We're going to have one of these in the garage in a matter of weeks, I can tell.
What do you think, Fanny?
I think it's good.
We have ski ergs, we have rowers, we have bikes, but we do not have a climbing machine in CrossFit yet. Apparently Mike, the owner of this gym, has the world record on this machine. He climbed Everest the quickest, the distance of Everest. Should we bring it to CrossFit? Should CrossFit bring this to the event? It's harder than you think. Now it's our turn.
I don't want to go home.
Let's get out of here with my new special hat. Jazz, you should probably go this side because the leg room.
I have random people commenting on my Instagram saying that they'll be my friend, and And then some people saying they don't want to be my friend. So I actually said, next time I come to Camp Spaniel, will you be my friend? And they still said no.
We did our job this weekend, Jazz.
Chris would not have had the same experience without us.
We take the piss, but we love him really. Yeah, he's got it all to look forward to in a couple of weeks when we go to Sweden.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to book you the crap episode.
Oh, why don't we? He's going to the crap episode.
Aww.
The problem, the maximum.
Right, let me put it in your... I'll do it again.
And just like that, my bear, you've been amazing.
Really good, really good.
Really good.
And I'm back in 2 weeks, so...
So, surprise team, you didn't actually realise we were flying to Boston and not home. Look. We're in Boston. Boston Red Sox. Country music's playing. We're actually in the airport. But it's a pretty cool bar. Can only imagine what it's going to be like when we go to Austin.
Hi folks, Committee Frog here, and today we are going to be eating beef burgers in O'Leary's. So cool.
You know what?
Is it far from...
CrossFit makes you into a tank. That's why you're not quite there yet.
Yeah, I'm going to start soon.
And that's why Jazz is an absolute animal.
Beast. Little mini beast.
You know what, right? I accept the fact that CrossFit is not for me, but I've learned this weekend that doing obstacles and like the OCR stuff probably is. And I've figured that out this weekend, why I'm so excited to go back to this gym and do some more of it. So I know it's a very CrossFit team lifestyle.
I can't wait till we come back.
Always on the job, Chris.
Always on the job.
Smile.
Right, cool.
See you next week.
Guys, I'll see you next week.
And then we'll see you in 3 weeks too.
The week after that.
Yeah, you're in my bed.
You've not told us.
But then I'll see you at Fitness Festival.
Yes, you will indeed.
You didn't get that dance on camera, right?
I did. See you later, Chris.
See you later.
See you.
Have a good one.
What are you doing? Oh, 5 of those degrees are just so nice, aren't they?
So don't act like it, please don't treat me like I'm your sidekick. Cause I watch TV, I see how life is, and it's not easy.